Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly essential accessory for anyone who owns a Sony ICF-2010 Air PLL synthesized radio receiver or an Eton FR-405 American Red Cross emergency radio. We're talking about the Dysead AC power adapter, a compact and incredibly well-designed power supply unit that promises both convenience and top-tier performance. One of the first things that strikes you about this power adapter is its remarkable portability. It's designed to be so compact that it can easily slip into a handbag, making it perfect for travel or simply keeping your radio powered on the go. In fact, it's so small, one could even tuck it directly into a jacket pocket without any fuss. This level of portability is a huge advantage, ensuring that your valuable radio is always ready for action, whether you're at home, out in the field, or facing an emergency situation. But don't let its small stature fool you. Despite its diminutive size, this Dysead adapter houses incredibly high-quality electronic equipment. The manufacturer hasn't cut any corners when it comes to the internal components, which is crucial for a device that powers sensitive electronics. This commitment to quality extends to its robust safety features, which are truly impressive. The adapter comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of protections: OCP, which stands for overcurrent protection, OVP or overvoltage protection, OTP for over-temperature protection, and SCP or short-circuit protection. These built-in multiple safety protection systems mean that users can operate their radios with complete peace of mind, knowing their equipment and the adapter itself are well protected. The Dysead adapter meets OE specifications, indicating a high standard of manufacturing and compatibility. It's a corded electric power source, featuring a standard 2-pin main power connector type, which is common and convenient. A helpful tip for anyone considering this adapter is to always confirm the plug size of the power supply needed before placing an order. This ensures a perfect fit and avoids any inconvenience. The brand, Dysead, also emphasizes its commitment to customer satisfaction, encouraging users to reach out with any questions before returning a product, highlighting their dedication to excellent after-sales support. In essence, what you're getting with this Dysead replacement AC adapter is not just a power source, but a reliable, safe, and highly portable solution for keeping your Sony ICF-2010 or Eton FR-405 radio operational. Its thoughtful design, coupled with its advanced safety features, makes it an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a dependable power supply. It truly stands out as a compact powerhouse, ready to keep your essential radios running smoothly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.